5 home remedies for pimples. We poke, we squeeze, we pick at them. Anything to get rid of those unsightly pimples. That seems to pop out of nowhere. But experts warn against this old to common practice. While poking is a whitened or squeezing a blackhead can work sometimes, it may actually make matters worse, increasing the risk of infection and damaging health skin around the pimples. One of the most common skin problems, pimples, are an inflammation of the skin caused by bacteria attacking the sebaceous glands, which are the oil glands located at the base of your hair follicles. Teenagers usually suffer from pimples when they go through puberty because of the hormonal changes in their body. First, lemon juice. Lemon juice can effectively treat pimples within a few days. It contains high vitamin C, which is good for all types of skin, and its acidic properties helps exfoliate the skin. Plus, it is astringent that will help dry out pimples quickly. Dip a cotton ball in 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and apply it on your pimples. Leave it on for 20 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Repeat the process 2 or 3 times a day for few days. Thoroughly mix equal amounts of lemon juice and rose water. Apply the mixture on the pimples and leave it on for about 30 minutes. Then wash your face with lukewarm water. Do this twice daily for a week. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 1 teaspoon of groundnut oil and apply it in an affected skin area. Allow it to dry on its own before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. Do this once daily for a week. Second, toothpaste. Toothpaste that you use to clean your teeth can also be used to treat pimples. Toothpaste can help dry out pimples quickly due to the ingredients like baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, alcohol, and menthol. However, you must only use a white toothpaste. Do not use whitening gel or colored toothpaste. Apply a little toothpaste on your pimples, leave it on for 2 hours or overnight. Wash it off with a damp washing cloth and then apply a soothing moisturizer. Repeat once daily for a week or 2. Third, garlic. Garlic can also be used by effective home treatment for pimples due to its antibacterial properties and sulfur contents. It is also full of antibiotics, antifungals, and antiseptics and other healing properties. Cut garlic cloves into 2 and rub the pieces on your pimples. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash your face. Repeat the process several times a day for a few days. You can also eat 1 or 2 raw garlic cloves daily on an empty stomach and purify your blood, which will help reduce pimples. Fourth, steam. Steam can help alleviate a number of minor skin problems, including the pimples. Steam helps open up the clogged pores, allowing the skin to breathe. Bacteria, dirt, and oil trapped deep within the skin also will be flushed out. Boil a pot of water and pour it into a large bowl. Allow the water temperature to cool slightly so the steam doesn't burn your skin. Place your face above the bowl and drape a thick towel over your head to trap the steam. After 10 to 15 minutes, remove the towel and pat your face dry. Then apply on an oil-free moisturizer. Repeat this process 2 times a day for 4 to 5 days to reduce the pimples, then make your skin glow. Fifth, ice pack. Ice helps treat pimples by improving the blood circulation in affected skin area. It also helps freeze the clogged skin pores, which in turn removes oil and dirt particles accumulated in the skin. Ice will also reduce the inflammation and pains caused by pimples. Wrap ice cubes or crushed ice in a clean cotton cloth and gently press it on affected area for few seconds. Wait a few minutes and repeat the process 3 or 4 times. Do this twice daily to get rid of pimples within a day or 2.